unidentified miscreants attacked BJP's Lakhisarai candidate and the current Deputy Chief Minister and Agriculture Minister of Bihar, Vijay Kumar Sinha's convoy. That's the latest that we're tracking for you at this point in time. Violence reported amid the first phase of polling in Bihar. Visuals on your screens as well. Unidentified miscreants attack the Bihar Deputy Chief Minister's convoy. Mind you, he's also the BJP's candidate from Lakhisarai, where the violence has been reported from. This is all amid the first phase of polling in Bihar, the second phase on the 11th of November, and the final results to come out on the 14th of this month. Today is the first phase of polling, 121 constituencies, and Lakhisarai, where the candidate for the Bharatiya Janata Party is the current Agriculture Minister and the current Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Vijay Kumar Sinha. His convoy has been attacked. That's what we're picking up. Well, my colleague Sabyasachi joins us live on the broadcast here. Sabyasachi, what's the latest that we're tracking at this point in time? Are there any damages other than the exterior of the car? Is Vijay Kumar Sinha safe? What was the outburst all about? And what does this tell us about the first phase of electric polling that's taking place in the state of Bihar?
Well, that's right. See, the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Mr. Vijay Sinha, is safe currently, and the police which were present at the spot in Lakhisarai were able to remove the crowd from the location. Now, Vijay Sinha was visiting booth after booth because Lakhisarai is a constituency from where he is contesting the poll this time around. And when he was visiting one of the poll booth in Lakhisarai, the people of the area were not happy with Vijay Sinha, and in fact in the video which is now currently surfacing from the spot where it could be seen that unknown miscreants even hurling shoes on the convoy of Mr. Vijay Sinha. In fact, they were telling the news channels over there that people in Lakhisarai in that particular area were not happy with the kind of work that Mr. Vijay Sinha has done. In fact, they also were alleging that no work or no attention from the government have been given to that particular area in Lakhisarai, and that is the reason why the people did not want him to visit the poll booth in that spot. In fact, the BJP on the other hand alleges that this was a conspiracy, and this was the conspiracy done by the RJD supporters. In fact, the RJD supporters blocked the convoy and even hurled abuses and shoes at the convoy of Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Mr. Vijay Sinha.
Yep, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We've got a reaction from the Deputy Chief Minister himself. Let's listen into what Vijay Sinha has to say.
ये राजद का जादव का गुंडा है, राजद समाज का अच्छे जादव लोग को भी नहीं वोट देने दिया, और राजद का गुंडा राज कायम करना चाहता है। इन गुंडों के छाती पर बुलडोजर चलेगा, खोल के विजय सिन्हा इसके छाती पर चलाएगा। नहीं वोट देने दिया मेरा पोलिंग एजेंट को, सुबह ही 6:30 बजे लौटा दिया। अति पिछड़ा और दलित समुदाय का हमारा पोलिंग एजेंट था, और इसका गुंडे देखिए, सत्ता में नहीं आया है तो ये गुंडे है।
Well, Sabyasachi, did you listen to that? That seems to be escalating, by the second. He's quite angry over there himself. He says he's going to run bulldozers on the chests of all of these gundas and hooligans of the RJD, which has been a BJP narrative right from the start.
Well, definitely. See, in fact, the BJP right from the top guns have been continuously labeling RJD as the Gunda Raj. In fact, they have been continuously putting out this narrative in different campaigns across the city. Now, in fact, Vijay Sinha was quite upset with the fact that his polling agent was not allowed to cast his vote early in the morning. In fact, this news was continuously reaching him that people were not allowed to cast their vote, and that is the reason why Mr. Vijay Sinha himself decided to visit that particular area's polling booth when the supporters of RJD did not allow him to visit the polling booth, and that's when the chaos started and people started hurling abuses and shoes at the convoy of Mr. Vijay Sinha. Now, the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar was quite upset, and he even warned that all the gundas who belong to the RJD bulldozers will be used on their chest. So it's a clear warning that has been come out from the Deputy Chief Minister. So from this,
well, Sabyasachi, do stay on with us. Mrityunjay Tiwari from the RJD joins us here on the broadcast. Let's take a question from him as well. मृत्युंजय जी, हाउ डू यू लुक एट दीज डेवलपमेंट्स? क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? आपकी पहली प्रतिक्रिया क्या रहेगी इस बात पे? विजय कुमार सिन्हा कह रहे हैं ये राजद के गुंडों की वजह से हुआ है, चप्पल मार रहे हैं और इनकी छातियों पे अब बुलडोजर चला दिया जाएगा।
लोकतंत्र में हिंसा का कोई स्थान नहीं है। कोई भी हो, कानून अपना काम करे। लोकतंत्र में वोट की चोट से सबक सिखाया जाता है। ये कोई कैसे कह सकता है कि राजद के लोग थे? ये तो कानून प्रशासन का काम है। कौन क्या प्रमाण है ये तो देना होगा ना। ऐसे तो बदनाम करने से नहीं होगा। हम तो लोकतंत्र के पुजारी हैं। लोकतंत्र का महापर्व में सब लोग हिस्सा ले रहे हैं। सब लोग अपने वोट की चोट से सबक सिखाएं और वोट की चोट से ही लोकतंत्र में बदला लिया जाता है।
ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हैं फिर विजय सिन्हा? ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हैं?
अब तो ये वो बताएंगे। हमने तो अभी ये खबर देखी भी नहीं है। पूरा विस्तार से देखकर तब हम विस्तार से ज्यादा बता पाएंगे।
लेकिन आप लहर की अगर बात की जाए, लाखीसराय में ही आरजेडी की क्या लहर है, बीजेपी की क्या लहर है, उस पर कुछ आपकी
कह दिया कि हमने इस खबर को अभी नहीं देखा है। पूरी जानकारी ले लेते हैं क्योंकि हम भी अभी दूसरे कार्यक्रम में क्षेत्र में हैं। हम बताते हैं आपको।
चलिए ठीक है, we'll get back to you as and when you have more information on this. Mrityunjay Tiwari of the RJD just joined us and helped us understand. He doesn't know about this incident, but let's listen into what Vijay Sinha had to say. Let's play that bite once again. What he said, standing right outside his car, holding abuses at the RJD goons, and that threat that he gave out as well.
ये राजद का जादव का गुंडा है, राजद समाज का। अच्छे जादव लोग को भी नहीं वोट देने दिया और राजद का गुंडा राज कायम करना चाहता है। इन गुंडों के छाती पर बुलडोजर चलेगा। खोल के विजय सिन्हा इसके छाती पर चलाएगा। नहीं वोट देने दिया मेरा पोलिंग एजेंट को। सुबह ही 6:30 बजे लौटा दिया। अति पिछड़ा और दलित समुदाय का हमारा पोलिंग एजेंट था और इसका गुंडे देखिए, सत्ता में नहीं आया है तो ये गुंडे है।